Obwansu bw'omugusii omurobiri okubwatya nigo bekirwe igoro y'emyaka 13 naigo abalinse y'emyaka eyo nigo balinse y'amorokereryo y'abaibuli.
Buna Butambe omwachi omurigereria nigongo gatebia nga oboremi nobonda nabo igo oboremi nesiro asogokinya uchumi yeitoi ya Kenya amono rugongo rwa Gusii ekerongo gotaria na koira goika chinsemo na kumanya erinde tumera abamanyi abaremi nabo igo egati abande abange bali bagwate obumanyi bw'oboremi nasitikulera na kolete goika sensemo ya Nairobi International Trade Fair aigana se egetengo gya ADC abuna bagwate chiombe chingie kigima chiombe chisomete chiombe chamabere abwastura chikoba tugusanga no mumanyo boyomo anyakobaga gotwera na gutumanya mange abo eketera chukwana amangana y'oboremi inyora ngoroberi no y'oboremi no bonda okoleta Butambe na Mildred mumanyi enga kitogo tarira abaremi igoto bwati asemetana ite ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensema ya YouTube Ndizi TV News nabo ogotomera SMS wetrase nambe yo erase screen ya ogabu endete yakoba tugusanga ase obwamo aigaso mwacho murigereria nigontene nasi chiombe nimbwato boba kego kolende goika nike ase chiombe gati goika nike ase oboremi gati erinde lyo oboremi wenya kwa bogosika bosiona kiyakogera ngo gotebia nga oboremi mbubwati chibesa oboremi nigo boragere otenenge ase obwango kigima aiganto chikutumeka omono otaliyo ito Butambe ekeyaranto chikumera no moswati kigima omaite igoro ya mangana ye chiombe nigo nintuko mukwanira isaranso ike bweseni na kwemanya mange. Madam, asante sana kutukubalia kufika hapa na vile ninaangalia hapa mko na ng'ombe ambao wako healthy.
Yeah.
Labda kwa faida ya mtazamaji wetu unaweza ukatuambia wewe ni nani na hapa tuko wapi?
Mimi naitwa Bwechiombe. I am assistant farm manager ADC na Mandala. Where you are now, we are at ADC na Mandala. We are located in Kitale region, but now we are in Nairobi International Show for exhibition.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, as I can see the cow here, it looks good.
Yeah.
Health-wise, it's okay.
Yeah.
And even the height, the way it looks is very pleasing.
Yeah.
Maybe you can explain to us for the benefit of the farmer, tujue ni nini ile inafanya huyu ng'ombe anaonekana vizuri hivi.
Okay. So, as ADC, as you see, we are keeping Frisian animals. Frisian animals are very large. They are large and they are black in color and white spotted. And also, the udder of the Frisian animals should be well attached, and that attachment of the udder should be attached to the abdomen, as you see this one. The udder is attached to the lower abdomen. And then
Ndizi TV Obwansu bw'omugusii omurigereria bwa television ya Ndizi TV bono na bukura ly'obonchoria bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinka kichindi chonsi ery'obwekere abarigereria kurwechi county sana na ibire echo kirasorogonkorwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley.